I haven't opened Blender in about 6 years, and I'm about to go head to head with an AI in it. Here's the idea. I've got 10 Minecraft items on this list. I'll pick one at random, and I have to model, texture, and render it in Blender. Then I hand the same exact item to an AI and see what it comes back with. I don't get to pick the easy one, and honestly, I'm not sure I remember how half of this software even works. But that's the fun part. By the end, we'll find out if 6 years of Rust can still beat an AI.
I will put all the 10 items in the wheel of names to see which one we will get. Hopefully nothing hard. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh fuck. So we have to do the brewing stand. The brewing stand in Minecraft is where you can do not enchantments, the brews. And I'll have 1 hour to do it in Blender, 1 hour to do the render, to model it, and to have everything ready. And then I will try to use Gemini and Google Flow to also replicate the same Blender. As usual, destroy the default cube, and let's get the clock running. Clock, go. So brewing stand it's already 3D in the game. Everything is 3D in the game. What the fuck? Anyway, we have 1, 2, 3, and we have the yellow pillar, and then we have the stand that holds the bottles. This is it from a 2D point of view. Oh, okay. There's bigger models people already made. So I'm guessing we're gonna need a brewing stand Minecraft. So my issue is that in here there's like a bottom thing holding them, but from the in-game item, it's only the 3 boxes and the yellow thing, which is textured orange, orange, yellow, yellow. Okay, I think it's doable. Let's see. Mesh cube. I like to have perfect. How do I? Okay, too much. Maybe like this. That looks good enough. How do I remember there was a way you can center its apply location. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. So we're gonna need 3 of those. Oh, what the fuck is going on? How do I? So I think a normal copy paste works. Yeah. So how are these? 1, 2. So it's 2 on the side and 1 in the middle, just to make sure everything is centered properly. Good enough. We're gonna need another cube. We're gonna extrude it, size it up, make it smaller. I think we can change it to face. Oh yes. How do I go back? Edit. So I'm not gonna focus a lot on the modeling because the key here is the render basically. So this should be good. Let's see the difference. Can't we see it from the other side? Or is it each one angle? No, it's not each one angle. These look the same. So actually it's more like this, I think, with a bit of difference. So in the middle, you can make it go a little bit more. And let's go this, or what? Control C, Control V, move it in the middle. How are we looking so far? So we did this, which I think it's close to what we're doing. I don't want to look at any 3D assets because I'm pretty sure people already done it before. So that would be kind of cheating for me. So I'm just gonna try to get it from the main game. It looks like this. I can, nope. I remember there was a setting you can go into mesh mode basically. Oh yes. So let's go GX, same thing. And we're gonna add a plane, size it up just to make sure we have something to stand on. Till now we're good, even on time. 7 minutes, perfect. So now, these ones are angled. This one is smack dab in the middle. I'm gonna start with this one since it looks the easiest. Then we're gonna do the ones in the corner. I think I can just, oh, perfect. I can just extract it from this. If we do subdivide, no, senior. I remember you can add more loop cuts with a scroll wheel. Weird. Oh, okay. So number of cuts 2. Yes, exactly. That's what we want. So it runs through. So I think we can have it shorter. Let's add another cut. So now we want, which is gonna be actually from here. I need this. like this, and this like this. Should be down, but not shorter. I would say good enough. This is one of them for this, which is this one. Now we have to do the corner one, which is the one I'm concerned about. Because if we just extrude this, even if I extrude, and let's say I did it freeform, that won't work. Can I do this and bevel it? No, not bridge faces. Maybe now. Oh no. I can try something. It'll be a bit jank. Let's see. Go back here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens if I extrude now? Oof. Okay, that can work. We just need extrude it a bit. Let's go back. Extrude. Let's see. Okay, not bad. I extruded it a lot. I forgot about this part. So it's a small extrusion. Cut again. What's left? I think that's it modeling wise. I will have a bad time trying to, so as I was saying, I will have a bad time trying to texture it because I did it so jankly. What can we do about it? Now we have to set the scene as well. We can't just have it like this. Or honestly, we can. Nothing's stopping us. Maybe like this. So I have 41 minutes left. What? I want to set the scene properly. Before that, let me just texturize them. So let's see. Maybe it's better just to get the texture online because it's impossible to texture this. Unless I can do it something like this. There's no light source. Let's add some roughness to it. Oh, brick texture. This can work. Maybe with, honestly, it's not bad. What's checker? I think brick is better, but it gives us this randomized thing. Can add a bump map as well. Let's do this board, this board. Let's do the rod first. I'm gonna split them up into textures. I'm gonna test with this. I'm gonna assign it to the material. It's a blaze rod. So let's do this. New assign. I'm actually retarded. Perfect. It's a blaze rod, so it has to be yellowish orange with a bit of gradient. Is it color ramp? It's yellow and orange with a bit of light. So now if I go and assign, now for the rest, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do it in bulk. Assign it this. Let's just make this the board material assign. Oh, that works. Let's make another material for the red part. We're gonna copy actually this board one. This will be board. 28 minutes left. I have to pick up the pace. Bruh. As good as it's gonna get. Let's go to cycles. Ooh, shit. GPU. Maybe we can get, what was it called? Environment texture. Is it not environment texture? Did it work? Something is wrong. We're back. I forgot to continue recording. Basically, we're at 21 minutes. I did some stuff because I forgot to do the recording basically. I added the 2 blocks. I finalized the, what is it called? The brewing stand. And now I'm gonna finalize the shot with this. We're gonna render it out and see how it looks like. And then I'm gonna prompt Gemini to do the same thing and give us a brewing stand with 2 blocks and a high angled camera scene. This is it after rendering. It didn't take time. It doesn't have any textures, it doesn't have any bump maps, nothing. It's as simple as it gets, and that's what I get when you leave Blender for 6 years basically. Anyway, we're gonna continue now and create a new scene and talk with Gemini. This is the script. Create a 3D Blender scene with the asset of brewing stand from Minecraft. It has to be placed on a block with a block next to it. Don't texture it, since we're gonna do it on Google Flow. I will attach a picture of the brewing stand as reference. Let's see what Blender gives us. Gemini. And this is the Python code. Let's go to scripting, new, and run. Oh no. Let's see, layout. We're gonna add a plane of our own. So I asked it to run it again since the blocks are separated. I'm guessing it took a lot from the reference image I showed it. So we're gonna ask it to fix it. I have no hope for Gemini. Zero hope. So it's still doing them as separated. We're gonna have to go with it. Now we're gonna render it as is, and I'm gonna run it through Google Flow to have it texturized. Blender finished. This is the render that it came out in. Let's save it quick. Let's go to Google Flow. So in Google Flow, there's an interesting thing that you can put out a picture of a render that you did, and ask it to texture it basically. So we're gonna test it out live today. It's this one, 3D Model Visualizer. Actually, that was the wrong tool. We're gonna create a quick tool right now. This is the Google Flow result. So basically I created a new tool and told it I will feed it a picture of a 3D render I did. I want to texturize it, which it did. The textures are better than mine, of course, but it's wooden planks and wood, birch wood, what is it called? Normal tree. But still, it's not a bad render. And I guess AI can really take our jobs. Yep. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.